look, welcome to Terri's Tips, guys. Get a notebook, get a pen. I'm excited about this video because you guys ask me about this all the time. Today, we're going to talk about 7 business auto loans, guys. Specifically in this video, I'm going to outline multiple ways you can buy a car with your business name using business credit, some of the benefits of buying a car in your business name, what businesses qualify for business auto loans, and I'm going to give you 7 actual lenders, guys. And I actually did a mix of some traditional lenders and some fintech lenders. And first, nugget, some of y'all might be like, what do you mean traditional lenders and fintech lenders? Guys, a traditional lender is just like a regular bank, a regional bank, a credit union. Those are lenders that have, business auto loans, but they also have business checking, and they have, credit cards, and they have mortgages, and they have everything. They are bank. A fintech company, guys, are alternative lenders, private lenders that specialize in funding entrepreneurs, small business owners, investors, and that is important, critical to you because the lender matters. A no for one lender can be a yes for another. And so with fintech companies, they have a streamlined process, a lot of times less documentation. They will fund a lot faster because they specialize in this area. So think about fintech companies, the business credit, like how hard money lenders are to real estate. It's alternative private funding for you to help fund your whole entire life. Now, some of the benefits of buying a car in your business name, guys. Obviously, one that people talk about a lot is tax write-offs. And depending on your actual tax situation, sometimes you can even write off the depreciation of the vehicle, which is a huge benefit, okay? Also, keeping that debt off of your personal credit reports. Come on, somebody. That means it doesn't impact your debt to income ratio. It's not a new trade line on your personal credit report. So keeping the two separate, which is the actual goal of business credit, is one way that this actually benefits you. Also, being able to wrap the vehicle. Y'all know I have my car wrapped with my company information. It is a marketing machine, and every single time I drive it, people reach out to me, DM me, call me, text me. So you wrapping that vehicle for your business purposes is a great benefit. Also, a lot of times you can get better rates. Commercial auto insurance. Listen to me, y'all. I have commercial auto insurance because my vehicles are in my business name, and the rates were actually lower because how businesses use their vehicles is a little bit different, the usage, than actual personal. I didn't say I don't do rideshare, right? So there's different kinds of auto insurance, but commercial auto insurance for you having your car in your business names many times is actually a lower rate. Come on, somebody. Some of the other benefits, your business owns collateral. Your business owning collateral is super smart because this means maybe sometimes you're applying for a business line of credit or a business credit card, even something else that you want. And maybe for whatever reason, your personal or business is not strong enough to qualify. But if you own a vehicle already, or if your business owns a vehicle, that can be used as collateral. So a lot of times your business having collateral can help you qualify for more money. One other thing I want to know is actually it can be a perk for your business. Look, think big, y'all. You could be like, hey, being an employee of my business means you get access to a company vehicle, or you can use a company vehicle for travel, or, after 2 years of service, I give you a company vehicle. I need y'all to start thinking big, okay? So there's a ton of benefits to buying a car in your business name. I just outlined a couple. And nugget right here. What businesses qualify for a business auto loan? This is a trick question, y'all. All of y'all, come on, somebody, guys, stop overcomplicating it. A business is literally just a legal entity. You can be an S Corp, you could be a C Corp, you could be a nonprofit, you can be an LLC. Nowhere did I say you have to be fully self-employed. Nowhere did I say you have to make millions of dollars a year. Guys, many of you have a side hustle. Many of you are doing something part-time. As long as that thing is incorporated and has an EIN, you are a business. This is one reason why I teach that heavy on this channel. But this is where, for personal credit and business credit, for personal credit, it's your personal name, your personal social. For business credit, it's your business name and your business EIN. You can still have W-2 income. You can still have other income. It just means that this actual stream has an EIN, which you need whether you have employees or not, because you're going to use your business name and your business EIN to get the business auto loan. Got it, good guys. Now, let me give you tips about, using business credit to actually buy a car. But I want you guys to think high level strategy. Let me give you an example. Let's say you need $25,000 to buy a car. period. It's $25,000 to buy X car. Guys, even though I'm outlining business auto loans specifically in this video, high level strategy, which is what I teach on this channel, you can actually also use a $25,000 business credit card, a business line of credit, business working capital, business term loan, business merchant cash advance, business, line of credit. You can even use a business micro loan, guys. And a business micro loan is just any loan $50,000 and under. So please understand that if you don't qualify for a business auto loan, you may qualify for one of these other types of business credit to still get the same thing done. Buy a car in your business name with business credit. And let me also say that for these lenders, for specifically, I'm going to outline Ally as one of them. Just an example is they'll let you buy a car, but they also have options to lease some of them, and they also have options to refinance. That means maybe you're a sole proprietor. Maybe you're a single member LLC and your personal car is in your personal name, but you use it all the time for business. Maybe you're an investor. Maybe you're a realtor. And 90% of the time you're using your car to see properties, to show properties, to take clients around. And so you're like, I really should have my car in my business name. Some of these companies will actually refinance, which means you can refinance it out of your personal into your business there. And so the 7 lenders, Ally Financial, ALLY, guys, depending on when you're watching this video, I'll put the link in the description. Guys, Ally Financial has personal and business. Personal and business. They have where you can buy a vehicle. They have where you can do a refinance. They also have lease options. Nugget right here. Guys, it depends on how much you qualify for in the terms as far as what your actual payment will be. But mind you, a $25,000 business auto loan is a lot different than an $80,000 business auto loan. Or maybe you want to buy a truck or a semi that will be $100,000 or $200,000. So just understand that you want to be wise in relation to what your business income is and what you're asking for. You don't necessarily need to make $200,000 a year in your business. Come on, somebody, if you're only buying a $15,000, $20,000 car. That's a nugget right there, because the lenders are going to look at your personal credit, your business credit, or both. For example, Ally, since that's the very first company I outlined, they have where you could be a third-party guarantee or business credit only. Business credit only means they only look at your business information. It's only in your business, and even if you default, it doesn't even go on your personal. So guys, nugget right here. If you're able to do this with a PG or without a PG, it's going to depend on how strong your business is, how long you've been in business. Do you have revenue? Do you have bank statements? Do you have other business credit? It's going to vary. And sometimes, guys, let's say you do get a business auto loan and they say, well, you have to be a PG. It's not the end of the world. That just means that if you default and you're not going to because you're a wealth warrior and I'm going to teach you how to get extra income, then it goes on your personal or they can go after you. So guys, just focus on getting the vehicle and then paying it off. It's not that big of a deal. Or focus on getting a business auto loan and maybe after a year worth of payments, they'll make you be not a PG. Nugget. I teach high level strategy on my channel to get you 6 and 7 figures. So you're going to hear different things from me where I give you guys the facts, but I also give you guys a high level strategy to help you actually get to your goals. Balboa Capital. This is a fintech company. Now, nugget right here. Depending on the lender, they're going to call it a business auto loan. They may call it commercial financing, or they may call it, equipment financing. All 3 of those kind of fall into business auto loan. And for you all wealth warriors, I teach you, one reason why you guys can have better results faster than anybody else, come on somebody, is because I teach you guys to actually compare them and then apply with the one that best meets your needs, right? And so I want you to understand that there's not one way to do this and there's not one lender, there's not one requirement. So a no for Ally could be a yes for Balboa. A no for, Wells Fargo could be a yes for Ally. So the nugget, the takeaway is that I'm giving you 7 lenders. I'm going to give you the actual websites. Look at the requirements on the website before you even make any kind of phone calls and see what is the best fit for you. And then I talked about the different kinds of business credit because I want you to know there's multiple ways to get this done. Maybe you don't qualify for the business auto loan, but you do qualify for their equipment financing, or you do qualify for their working capital. Got it good. The next one is GM Financial, which is a traditional lender that has both personal and business. The 4th one is Crest Financial, which is a fintech tech company. Then we have number 5 is national funding business fintech company. And number 6, we have Capital One commercial or Capital One business. And then number 7 is Bank of America business. And y'all know I don't talk about Bank of America a lot on my channel, but what I will say is that they do have business auto financing, business commercial financing. And I have actual people in my course, in my coaching, they have purchased 4 vehicles at one time with the Bank of America financing. That's a nugget right there. Sometimes you can go for one vehicle, but depending on you, depending on your personal credit, your business credit, your revenue, how long you've been in business, some of you guys actually qualify for 2, 3, 4, 5 cars or fleet financing, okay? Because your needs are different. So I will put the links in the description for the actual lenders. And if you need more help, then I'll put the link for my business credit and personal credit bundle and also for just the auto loan portion, okay? And for my nugget, guys, don't forget to build and grow the business. Y'all, business credit is not free. So if you get a $25,000 business auto loan because you've been following me and you have everything done, but then you never started the business, now you're overwhelmed because you're trying to pay for all this business credit with your own personal paycheck. Don't do that. If you are a personal trainer, focus on getting clients too. If you are, you want a restaurant, focus on selling dinners or getting a food truck. If you are a coach, focus on getting clients. Guys, don't forget to build the business. We are doing this for real, okay? So that means you can still have a full-time job, but you know that you always want to have multiple streams of income. So this is where you want to have multiple streams of income is how you actually build wealth, right? And so nobody says you have to quit your full-time job, but you definitely on the evenings, on the weekends, on your break, on your lunch, want to actually build your business because the key is to have multiple streams of income. I'll also link my video on how to start and relaunch a business and how to get passive income. You can also invest in a coaching call with me where I will help you get to that 6-figure mark with what you have right now. Okay, so I hope that this was helpful. I hope that you saw enough value to subscribe and share this video. And I cannot wait to see a picture of you in your car and make sure you tag me on social media. Amen.